Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep JK muffler. First, gather your essential tools like a 13mm socket, a 15mm socket, a ratchet, and some penetrating oil. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Jeep is cool and securely supported on jack stands. Always wear gloves and eye protection to prevent any injuries during the process. This preparation will make the removal much smoother and safer for you. Next, we'll tackle the exhaust hangers. Spray a good amount of penetrating oil on all the rubber hangers and the bolts to help them slide off easily. Give it a few minutes to work its magic. Then, using an exhaust hanger removal tool or a sturdy pry bar, carefully work the rubber hangers off their mounting points. Finally, loosen the clamp that connects your muffler to the main exhaust pipe, typically a 13mm or 15mm bolt. Now for the main event, removing the muffler itself. With the hangers detached and the clamp loosened, carefully slide the muffler off the exhaust pipe connection. It might require a bit of wiggling. Be sure to support the muffler's weight as you pull it completely free from the vehicle. These mufflers can be surprisingly heavy, weighing around 20 to 25 pounds. Once it's off, take a moment to inspect the remaining exhaust pipe and hangers for any signs of wear or damage. With your muffler successfully removed, you have a few options. Many owners choose to install an aftermarket exhaust system for improved sound and performance, or simply a muffler delete pipe for a more aggressive tone. If you're installing a new component, ensure all connections are secure and tightened to factory specifications. Remember to properly dispose of your old muffler. Check with your local recycling center for guidelines. Enjoy your Jeep's new sound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.